And now the news in detail. The BJP has released its manifesto for the upcoming Autonomous District Council elections, pledging financial assistance of 2,000 rupees per month to registered local domestic workers, taxi drivers, widows, single mothers and labourers. The manifesto unveiled by the State President Rickman G. Momin also includes plan to empower traditional heads, introduce a monthly honorarium for Aims, Dolois, Sordars and Rangba Shnongs, and regulate mining practices to ensure financial stability. Additionally, the BJP aims to promote tourism, strengthen traditional healing practices and create a dedicated department within the district councils to boost trade and business for rural youth.
All the candidates of the party for upcoming MDC election, and I extend my best wishes to you. May you come out with flying colors. Every election is important, and this election is also very important for the party, and for that reason, I will like to congratulate the Manifesto Committee under Dr. Bernadette Lindo as the convener, that in a very short span of time, she and her team were able to come up with the manifesto.
Phantom J.